Ever wondered why cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum seem to swing wildly in value? Today, we'll unravel the mystery behind this volatility and introduce a solution that brings stability to the world of digital currency. Welcome to the intriguing realm of stablecoins. Imagine a seesaw. On one end, we have cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, notorious for their price fluctuations. On the other end, we have traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar, which maintain a relatively stable value. Now imagine a digital currency that perfectly balances this seesaw. This, in essence, is a stablecoin. Stablecoin is a type of cryptocurrency designed to minimize price volatility. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, the value of a stablecoin is tied or pegged to real-world assets such as gold or a fiat currency like the US dollar. This pegging ensures that the value of stablecoin remains stable, hence the name. Think of stablecoin as the best of both worlds. It combines the instant processing and security features of cryptocurrencies and the volatility-free stable valuations of traditional currencies. Now, let's summarize what we've learned today. Firstly, cryptocurrencies, while revolutionary, often suffer from price volatility. This instability can deter many potential users from adopting digital currencies. Secondly, stablecoin offers a solution to this problem. By tying its value to real-world assets, stablecoin maintains a stable value, making it a more reliable digital currency option for many users. Lastly, stablecoin combines the benefits of both traditional and digital currencies, bridging the gap between the crypto world and the real world. In a nutshell, stablecoin could be the key to unlocking the true potential of digital currencies. It offers a stable and reliable alternative to traditional cryptocurrencies, while still retaining the benefits of blockchain technology. So as we step into the future, it might be worth keeping an eye on stablecoin. It's not just a new form of digital currency, it's a whole new way of thinking about money in the digital realm. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of stablecoin. Remember, the world of digital currency is ever evolving, and understanding these changes is crucial to navigating it effectively. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious.